Hello friends, this is Dr. P.R. Chaudhary from KKV College of Agriculture. Today we will be studying about climatic requirements for horticultural crops. There are several climatic factors which affect the growth of plants. They are mainly temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, solar radiation and hailstorm. Temperature is one of the most important environmental factor affecting the plant growth. Temperature affects several metabolic activities such as respiration, transpiration, evaporation, also germination and plant growth. Plant usually grow well between the temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, and if the temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius or in less temperature conditions, plants cease to grow. There are several adverse effects of low temperature on the plants, namely freezing injury, frost injury and chilling injury. Now freezing injury occurs when the temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius and it ranges from 0 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. In freezing injury, the water within the tissues of the plants get frozen and that may rupture the cells in the plants. Frost injury is also similar to freezing injury, but in this case the ice crystals are formed on the surface of the plants and not within the plant cells. And the third, chilling injury, this occurs in temperature above freezing range, means above 0 degrees Celsius, and it is most common in subtropical and tropical fruit crops which are not accustomed to low temperature. In chilling injury, pitting can occur on the surface of the fruit and discoloration of the fruit can occur. Usually broad-leaved and evergreen plants are more susceptible to low temperature, whereas deciduous plants can tolerate the low temperature. Now low temperature is not always bad. In temperate fruit crops, actually low temperature is required to fulfill the chilling requirement. That means the temperature should be from 2 to 7 degrees Celsius for certain hours in order for the plants to flower. Now let us see the effects of high temperature. Usually tropical and subtropical plants can tolerate 20 to 30 degrees Celsius of temperature. However, if the temperature starts increasing and exceeds 40 degrees Celsius, scorching of leaves occur and dehydration of plants occur. Carotenoids are the pigment usually giving color to the fruits and vegetables. Example, lycopene gives color to tomato. And in certain cases, if the temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, then degradation of these carotenoids occur. Next climatic factor is humidity. It is important for proper growth and development of plants. Usually color, total soluble solids, sugar is to acid ratio takes place or is better in dry atmosphere, low humidity conditions. High humidity usually results in higher incidence of pests and diseases and also in cracking of fruits. Rainfall is also important because if water deficit occurs during growth and development or during bud differentiation, blossoming or during fruit set, then the yield of the plant is directly affected and it reduces. If rainfall occurs during flowering, then the flower drop may occur and there will be low fruit set. Wind is another parameter. High wind velocity is detrimental for plant growth. Usually if there is dry and cold waves, then they will directly have impact on the growth of plant and thus on the yield. There can be increase in fruit dropping, reduction in pollination can occur because of high wind velocity. And if the wind velocity is high during pesticide application, you will not get desired effect. Wind velocity also affects fruit drop and scratches on the fruit surface. The next parameter is solar radiation, that is sunlight. We all know sunlight is the most important parameter for photosynthesis and preparation of carbohydrates in plant. Sunlight usually increases the productivity and is also required for proper color development, vitamin C and sugar development in plants. Another factor is hailstorm. Hailstorm, if they occur during the fruiting period, it will result in shedding of flowers and fruits. We have always seen that in Nasik, if there is hailstorm, then the grape bunches drop off. It directly damages the fruits, and in severe cases it can also affect the plants. Like climatic factors, there are several soil factors which also affect plant growth. They are categorized into physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties include soil structure, soil aeration and drainage, water table, soil depth, soil texture and soil temperature. Whereas chemical properties include soil fertility, soil reaction and soil salinity. We will discuss the soil factors in our next video. Thank you.